Hi everybody! Today I'll teach you how to crochet a heart keychain. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. For the first part, check out the link into the description box. Make 2 pieces and put the back side on the back side like this. And now use the darning needle. Insert the needle here to secure the yarn. Return the other side here and sew them together. Insert the needle under the 2 loops from this side and under the 2 loops from the other side and pull the yarn. Insert the needle under the 2 loops and pull the yarn. Continue as the same way, but leave a little space opened. And now insert the filling. Sew them together. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.